everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. Today I'm reviewing this wig from One More Hair. He sent me this beautiful burgundy T-part wig. It's definitely giving. The more I wear this, the more I love this. Okay, she's so cute. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, style it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel again, and let's get started. All right, you guys, let's get right into it. The box will look like this. It says One More on the packaging here. It is a cute little box. I'm gonna show you what's inside real quick. All right, so you get some lashes and a wig cap. You'll get a thank you card with a coupon inside, and then you get the wig. Alrighty, so this is the wig here. So this is supposed to be a burgundy wig, but this is giving me like very much cherry red. Very much cherry red, but still pretty. The hair is really soft. You get a close-up on the ends for you guys. Yes, this is like deep cherry red, but it is they say it's a burgundy T-part 24-inch body wave. The inside looks like this. The parting is pretty deep though, I will say that. And then you do have a adjustable straps that has the bra strap clips for you, and then also the adjustable straps here on the sides. Just one comb in the back on the bottom here. But yeah, so this is what the perimeter looks like. There isn't that much plucking space, as you can see. I can only pluck like the width of my finger, but I'll probably go in and pluck a little bit and put some foundation on the parting. It is a metal part, as you can see here. But yeah, I'm gonna install this burgundy wig. This is like, it's a little bit deeper in real life. The color's a little bit more deeper, but it's definitely not giving me burgundy. I don't know why. It's giving me like cherry red. But anyway, I am going to put this on, and I think I'm going to straighten it. So yeah, if you guys want to watch me install this, let's go ahead and do it. All right, you guys, I am all finished styling this hair. It is a middle part. It is a T-part wig, so you can only part it straight down the middle here. And this wig just looks beautiful. Like the color was a little bit more vibrant than I was expecting, but nonetheless, it is very beautiful still. It is 24 inches body wave, and I just put some flat iron curls in it, and yes. Let me show you guys the back real quick. This wig is really pretty. It's actually very full, as you can see. I have all the hair pulled forward, and it is very full and lightweight. Has a lot of body and movement. Very, very cute. All right, this is the end of the video. The wig is gorgeous. If you guys love this color, I definitely recommend you buying this. She is beautiful and definitely a showstopper, okay? Definitely. But all right, thank you guys again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.